So the JL Wrangler is a big splash in this giant Jeep world.
It's the most capable vehicle right out of the box. Made only better with a good set of tires.
It's the same Jeep that everybody wants, but it's fully updated and has all the creature comforts that your tow rig used to have.
It's interesting because it's conceptually the same as the old JK, but refined. Suspension is the same concept, but packaged so much better with so much more potential. Just put on some 37-inch ridge grapplers. None of that drivability went away.
So the steering felt a little flighty to me with stock tires. As soon as we put a 37 on it, it made the steering wheel, in my opinion, feel a lot better. I actually enjoy it better with the bigger tire on it, believe it or not.
Theoretically, it's a whole new vehicle. It's body, frame, suspension, everything. But major differences that the first person will notice is the interior is a huge upgrade.
But we tried it with 33s and 35s. There's a lot of improvements. So they raised roll centers, so it's not so, it doesn't want to lift in the back like the old JK did. The 8-speed transmission has the first gear, it's almost 5 to 1. We've been running it with a 37-inch tire and 410 gears, and it still accelerates awesome and still can cruise the freeway and get about 14 miles a gallon.
For the JK, you notice the need for a re-gear almost immediately. With the JL having 8 gears, although we will re-gear it, it's not as necessary right off the bat. It can handle a bigger tire.
The axles are completely new and stronger. The suspension's more nimble and larger. You have the tie rod ends are the same size as the 4th gen 3/4 ton Dodge. They're not little half-ton truck parts. The lower control arm bolts are 16 millimeter instead of 12 millimeter or 14 millimeter. Everything is beefed up because people are using their Jeeps harder, and all that converts to us being able to build a very, very capable off-road vehicle that you can drive to California, wheel for a week, and drive it home. That's the whole plan with these things, and that's where the industry's going, and that's what the JL brings to the table.